Many of the baskets you will see at the Jones Archaeological Museum at Moundville Archaeological Park and at the Spyro exhibition at Birmingham Museum of Art are made out of reeds and other plant fibers. Come weave your own basket using the paper, plate, and yarn. Here are the materials you will need. You will need our weaving template that you can find at moundville.museums.ua.edu, scissors, and yarn. So here's the instructions. Cut out the circular weaving template, cut on all the solid lines and fold on the dotted lines. With all the strips folded up, you should have a cube, a box shape, 3 sides with 4 strips and 1 side with 3 strips. Tie a knot in the end of the piece of yarn and stick it between 2 of the upright strips. Weave the yarn in and out of the upright strip around the paper template. Change color or size of yarn periodically to create your pot. When you change your yarn, tie a knot with the new yarn such that the knot will be hidden inside of your pot. Try to pull the yarn tight as you weave. The higher your weaving gets, the more the strips will remain upright on their own. And there you have it. There is your pot made out of yarn. You can pick up a template and some yarn from our Jones Archaeological Museum this month. And many thanks to our friends at the National Cowboy Museum for providing us with this lesson plan. Can't wait to see you at the park.